Capital market in India is controlled by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. In banking term, appreciation of rupee means availability of more foreign currency vis-a-vis rupee. The term CASA is used in which industry? Banking and finance. In India, bank holidays are covered as per the order of Government of India. It is an opposite activity of speculation, hedging. The lock-in period for ELSS scheme is 3 years. How many bank accounts were opened under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana on its inaugural day? 1.50 crore. What is India's ranking in the Global Peace Index 2014 published by the Institute of Economic and Peace? 143. When was the National Development Council formed? August 6, 1952. First 5-year plan was based on which model? Harrod-Domar model. In which year the process of nationalization of banks was started? 1969. Tradition of trust is the tagline of Allahabad Bank. Bronze, brass and gunmetal consist of which metal? Copper. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Which fuel is used in gas welding? Acetylene. In human digestive system, the process of digestion starts in buccal cavity. Which micronutrient is present in soil for various crops? Manganese. Sodium metal should be stored in kerosene oil. The term vaccination is derived from which language? Latin. Which metal is prominently used in mobile phone batteries? Lithium. How many elements are there in fifth period of modern periodic table? 18. Minamata disease was caused by toxic quality of mercury. Which chemical substance is used for the preservation of fruit juice? Sodium benzoate. Who acts as the chairman of the Chiefs of Staff Committee? Senior most Chief of Staff. G.D. Birla, Ambalal Sarabhai and Oilchand Hirachand were associated with which sector? Industrial sector. International Yoga Day will be observed from the next year on June 21. Who has been awarded Lal Bahadur Shastri Award 2014 for Public Administration, Academic and Management? Tessie Thomas. Rolini Strauss, selected as Miss World 2014 at London, belongs to South Africa. The World Cancer Day is observed every year on February 4. What is the full form of PETA? People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. 2014-15 Hero Federation Cup is owned by Bengaluru Football Club. In which state is Chilka Lake situated? Odisha. who won the women's single title of US Open Tennis Tournament 2014? Serena Williams. Which Indian state is also called as Electronic State of India? Karnataka. The headquarters of Food and Agricultural Organization is situated in Rome, Italy. Which schedule of Indian Constitution provisions for the administration of tribal areas? Sixth, which schedule was inserted by first amendment in Constitution of India? Ninth, which scheme mainly focus on bridging infrastructural gaps and gap in human development indices between scheduled tribes and other social groups? Banbandhu Kalyan Yojana. Information under the RTI Act 2005 can be provided in respect of Border Road Organization. The Central Industrial Security Force is under the administrative control of which ministry? Ministry of Home Affairs. The power to decide the date of an election to a state legislative assembly rests to the Election Commission of India. Notification regarding commencement or cessation of a state of war is the responsibility of Ministry of External Affairs. Article 78 of Indian Constitution describes the responsibilities of Prime Minister, which High Court has said that the RTI applicant should tell the reason for asking information under right to information. Madras High Court. Which article of Indian Constitution provides for the creation of new All India Service? Article 312. In which case the Supreme Court regarded preamble as a part of the basic structure of Indian Constitution? Kesavananda Bharati case. Who was the architect of community development in India? Balwant Raj Mehta. Which act set up priority system at the central level? Government of India Act 1935. The 11th schedule of the Constitution is related with Panchayati Raj. How many women members were there in the Indian Constituent Assembly? 12. Which category of person is not treated as at par so far as the availability of fundamental rights is concerned? Members of armed forces. In which case did the Supreme Court rule that constitutional amendments were also lodged under Article 13? Goloknath case. The Tungabhadra river provided sustenance to which empire? Vijayanagar. Name the three great composers who experimented with the Kriti form to set the foundation of modern Carnatic music in 18th and 19th century South India. Tyagaraja, Dikshitar and Samasastri. In which courts the uprising in 1773, Warren Hastings issued a proclamation banishing all sannyasis from Bengal and Bihar is known as Sannyasi Fakir uprising. Upari refers to a category of Tyanyasi. tenures held under the Maratha regime. Which state was an important center of learning in 18th century Kerala? Travancore. Which emperor did Nicola di Conti, Abdul Razzaq, Afnasi, Nikitin and Fernão Nunes visit? Vijayanagar Empire. At the time of 1857 revolt, who was the British commanding officer at Barakpur? Sergeant Hearsay. At the time of establishment of Asiatic Society of Calcutta, who was the Governor General of Bengal? Lord Warren Hastings. In British system, Rayotwari land revenue collection was prevailed in South India. Who was the founder of Chishtiya branch of Sufism? Sheikh Muhyiddin. The Panchasiddhantika of Barahomihir is based upon Greek astronomy. Which port handled the North Indian trade during the Gupta period? Tamralipti. Which Indo-Greek ruler issued lead coins? Demetrius. Ashokan inscriptions were first deciphered by James Prinsep. Which king was a patron of Jainism? Kharvel. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Sutlej are the tributaries of Indus River. Seismic gaps are sections of plate boundaries that have not ruptured in the recent past. In northern India, what is the main reason of occurrence of cold waves in winter season? Lack of maritime influence. Tank irrigation is commonly found in which part of India? Peninsular India. The evaporation of surface water of rivers and oceans is responsible for cloud formation. It comes under water cycle. Agulhas ocean current is associated with which coast? Mozambique, Madagascar. The difference of which pressure between two places is known as pressure gradient. The horizontal wind circulation near the Earth's surface is due to the Coriolis force. Horizontal wind circulation near the Earth's surface is due to the Coriolis force. Which instrument is used for the measurement of humidity in air? Hygrometer. The only state endowed with tin material in India is Chhattisgarh. Which glacier is located in Kumaon region of Uttarakhand? Milam. Which biosphere reserve of India is spread over Garo Hills? Nokrek. Kakrapara Dam is located on which river? Tapi. Gujarat's Bhuj city falls under which seismic zone? Zone 5. Engel Falls is located in which country? Venezuela. Black Forest in Germany is located along which river? Rhine. Which river of India is called biological desert? Damodar.